Ever wondered how a single night could involve over 1 billion birds on the move? That's right, 1.25 billion birds in one migration night. And guess what? They're looking at your facility as a landing spot. Now, for facility managers, that means bird problems can pile up fast. Cleanup costs, maintenance headaches, and unexpected expenses. But what if you could actually measure how much you're saving by keeping those birds at bay? That's where the Symterra ROI Calculator comes in. In less than a minute, you can see exactly how our humane bird deterrent solutions translate into real dollars saved. It's not just about keeping your space bird-free. It's about knowing the financial impact and justifying every step to your team. So, let's turn those invisible savings into visible results. Try the Symterra ROI Calculator today for free. Just click the link in the caption and see how much you could save. One less worry, one more win for your facility.